Hello students, welcome to the next video 3D class. That is the fourth video of a plane. Before starting, first we start Brahmanath. शांति 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 सुस्तो. Today we are going to discuss the perpendicular distance from a point to the given plane and the distance between two parallel planes. Last class we are already discussed what is the angle between two planes and what are the conditions for two planes are parallel, two planes are perpendicular and two planes are coincident, and what are the system of the plane. You know angle between two planes in vector form is that is cos theta is equal to n1 vector dot n2 vector by n1 vector magnitude into n2 vector magnitude. In Cartesian form, if a1, b1, c1 is the direction ratio of normal to the first plane, a2, b2, c2 be the direction ratio of normal to the second plane, then cos theta is equal to a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 whole by root over a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root over a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. If two planes are perpendicular, then a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 equal to 0. If two planes are parallel, then a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If two planes are identical or coincide, then the condition a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 equal to d1 by d2. And you know the system of the plane, the equation of the plane parallel to the given plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is ax plus by plus cz plus k equal to 0. And the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the two planes is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 whole into plus k into a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. In vector form, r vector dot n1 vector plus lambda into n2 vector is equal to d1 plus lambda into d2, where lambda is a constant. In Cartesian form, k is a constant. Okay, and also its problem are discussed in the last class, but today we will discuss what is the perpendicular distance. One theorem is the perpendicular distance from a point P of x1, y1, z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by root over a square plus b square plus c square. So how to prove the perpendicular distance will be this one. Okay. Now this is a given point and this is a plane. This is a point P of x1, y1, z1 with a given point, and this is a plane. This is known as a plane and its equation is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Okay. Now we find perpendicular distance from this point to the plane. So first what we do? Here first we draw the perpendicular from this point P on the plane, and this is capital N. Here N is the foot of the perpendicular from this point P on the plane. Okay. Clearly this is a perpendicular means this will be direction, this will be normal to the plane. This line perpendicular means Pn must be normal to the plane. And you know A, B, C be the direction ratio of normal to the plane. That means small n, B, C is the direction ratio of the line Pn. Okay. So how to find its distance from this point P to the plane? Okay, so we write these things. Proof: P of x1 y1 z1 be the given point ax plus by plus cz plot d equal to 0 be the equation of a plane. Equation of a plane. Draw a perpendicular line. Draw a perpendicular line Pn from the point P to the given plane. Okay, where n is the foot of the perpendicular, and this distance Pn is known as a perpendicular distance. This Pn is a perpendicular distance. Okay, so how to find its distance? Now capital R of alpha, beta, gamma be the any point on the plane. Let capital R of alpha, beta, gamma, because in that plane there are many points are there, infinite point are there. In infinite point we take only one point, that is R of alpha, beta, gamma be any point, be a point on the plane, be a point on the plane, So this point must be satisfied the given equation of the plane. So A alpha plus B beta plus C gamma plus D is equal to 0. That implies A alpha plus B beta plus C gamma is equal to minus T. Okay. Now we joining this point to P to R and joining this point to N to R. So here PR is a line segment, PN is a perpendicular line. So clearly this perpendicular PN, its distance, this perpendicular distance PN will be the length of the projection, of the line PR on the line PN. This Pn perpendicular distance, actually we find its perpendicular distance Pn. So this perpendicular distance Pn will be length of the projection of the line PR on line Pn. ना नहीं जदि PR लाइन PN ऊपर जदि आम प्रोजेक्शन बाहर करवा we will get its distance. Projection माने कौन? Distance टा. So a distance टा, this distance is equal to length of the projection of PR on the line PN. Okay, PN, this perpendicular distance PN, perpendicular distance PN, perpendicular distance PN is length of projection of the line segment PR, length of projection PR on the line PN, Okay, you know the length of the projection of a line segment passing through the point P of x1 y1 z1 and another point Q of x2 y2 z2 on a line whose DCS LMN is L into x2 minus x1 plus M into y2 minus y1 plus N into z2 minus z1. This is the formula of the length of the projection of the line segment to the given line. Okay, तेणु अपर लाइन रो आमे DRX आउ जो लाइन ऊपर आमे प्रोजेक्शन बाहर करछे से लाइन रो DCS टा दरकार ना नहीं ऊपर लाइन रो DRS तल लाइन रो DCS सहित आमे मल्टीप्लाई करिया दैट इज L into x2 minus x1 plus m into I2 minus y1 plus m into z2 minus z1. This is the length of the projection formula. Okay, here P is x1 y1 z1 and R is alpha beta gamma. तेणु PR लाइन रो PN ऊपर आमे जेतु प्रोजेक्शन बाहर करछे तेणु PL लाइन रो कोन दरकार डायरेक्शन कोसाइन दरकार. So ABC with the direction ratio PN will be normal means this is equal to A BC is the direction ratio of the normal. And what will be direction cosine? So direction cosine is A by root over A square plus B square plus C square, comma B by root over A square plus B square plus C square, comma C by root over A square plus B square plus C square. Actually direction ratio of a normal of a perpendicular PN is A, B, C, and what is the direction cosine? Direction cosine DCS of a perpendicular PN is A by root over A square plus B square plus C square, comma B by root over A square plus B square plus C square, comma C by root over A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. So the length of the projection. So the length of a projection. Therefore, now we apply this formula. The length of the projection. Okay. Length of the projection, here we write length of projection of PR on PN equal to x1 minus alpha, okay, or alpha minus x1. Anyway, alpha minus x1 into direction cosine A, that is length of projection of PN, length of projection of PR on PN is A by root over A square plus B square plus C square into alpha minus x1 plus B by root over A square plus B square plus C square into beta minus y1 plus C by root over A square plus B square plus C square into Z gamma minus Z1. Okay, so it's a modulus because the distance never be negative. If its value suppose negative, then we take its modulus value to make a positive. So this is equal to A alpha plus B beta plus C gamma minus of AX1 plus BY1 plus CZ1 whole by root over A square plus B square plus C square mod. But you know A alpha plus B beta plus C gamma is equal to minus D. Okay, but A alpha plus B beta plus C gamma is equal to minus D. So this is equal to minus D. This is equal to minus D minus AX1 plus BY1 plus CZ1 whole by root of a square plus b square plus c square mode. Taking minus common, and minus 1 mode is equal to 1. So this is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square mode. This is length of the perpendicular distance from the point to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. तेणु गोटे पॉइंट देखियो प्लेन देखियो पॉइंट टू प्लेन प्रति परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस मीन्स कौन करियो ना पॉइंटा धरिबो प्लेन ऊपर पकाई दबो पॉइंटा नेगिरी प्लेन ऊपर पकाइबो मीन्स x जगह x1 पड़िबो y जगह y1 पड़िबो z जगह z1 पड़िबो कौन होला ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by root over a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, do you understand what will be length of the perpendicular distance from point to the plane? But if this point is the origin, suppose this point is the origin, what will be perpendicular distance? So that means here substitute x1 is equal to 0, y1 equal to 0, z1 equal to 0. That is a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c into 0 plus d by root over a square plus b square plus c square. So the perpendicular distance is d by root over a square plus b square plus c square, and this is also we derived in the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane in vector equation of the plane normal form. Normal form रे आमे से कथा कहितले जे origin to plane प्रति perpendicular distance कोन the formula d by means constant term by root over a square plus b square plus c square. Ebe be here we prove also the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane is d by root over a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, this is the note. So perpendicular distance from origin to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is d by root over a square plus b square plus c square mode. Okay, but if it is vector form, so what will be its perpendicular distance? Suppose the vector form is r vector dot n vector is equal to d, and the point P whose position vector is a vector, so what is the perpendicular distance from this point P whose position vector is a vector to the plane r vector dot n vector is equal to d? So clearly it will be substitute a vector in place of r vector, because r vector is the any point. तेणु तुम कौन करियो r vector रे a vector टा substitute करियो. So what happen? This is equal to a vector dot n vector minus d by n vector magnitude like that root over a square plus b square plus c square the whole magnitude. So the vector form in vector form perpendicular distance from a point P whose position vector a vector to the plane r vector dot n vector is equal to d is a vector dot n vector minus d by n vector magnitude rho whole magnitude. Okay, this is also vector form of the perpendicular distance, that is a vector dot n vector minus d by root over n vector magnitude. Okay, so point to plane प्रति perpendicular distance माने आमे point नेगरी plane ऊपर substitute करिवो. Okay, plane ऊपर substitute कला परे this will be, so this one is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by root over a square plus b square plus c square mode in vector form this is equal to a vector dot n vector minus d, a vector dot n vector minus d by root of r by n vector magnitude. Okay, n vector magnitude whole mode out niya. Now we take an example. Distance between two parallel planes. You know, if two planes are parallel, then direction ratio must be proportional. So first we take two parallel planes. This is a plane and this is another plane parallel to the given plane. Suppose its equation ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Then the equation of a parallel plane will be ax plus by plus cz plus k is equal to 0. So what is the distance between two parallel plane? The distance between two parallel plane means distance of any point on the first plane. Okay, it will be the perpendicular distance from any point on the first plane to the second plane, or also the perpendicular distance from a point to the second plane to the first plane. Okay, first plane रो जे कोनसी गुटे पॉइंट टू ए प्लेन प्रति परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस बाहर करो बा सेकंड प्लेन रो जे कोनसी गुटे पॉइंट टू ए प्लेन प्रति परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस बाहर करो. दिस परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस is known as distance between two parallel planes. Okay, suppose we take this point P of alpha, beta, gamma be a point on the first plane. So we find the perpendicular distance from this point to the second plane, to the plane Q. Okay, so you know perpendicular distance from a point to the plane is equal to this point substitute in the given plane. A point to a plane प्रति आम जदि distance बाहर करिया कौन हम a alpha plus b beta plus c gamma plus k by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, but since alpha beta gamma lies on the first plane, means this point must be satisfied. So this is equal to a alpha plus b beta plus c gamma plus d is equal to 0. So a alpha plus b beta plus c gamma is equal to what? Minus d. And substitute the value of a alpha plus b beta plus c gamma here, that is equal to minus d plus k. So minus d plus k by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So minus d plus k is same thing as this is k minus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so this is the distance between two parallel planes. So distance between two parallel planes ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 and ax plus by plus cz plus k is equal to 0 is d minus k or k minus d, anyway d minus k by root of a square plus b square plus c square. तेणु दीटा प्लेन पैरेलल प्लेन डिस्टेंस बाहर करिया जा गोटे प्लेन जेकोसी पॉइंट टू अन्य प्लेन प्रति आम परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस बाहर करिया. दिस परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस इज नोन एज डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पैरेलल प्लेन. किंतु वन थिंग रिमेंबर, डायरेक्शन रेशियो ऑफ दिस टू प्लेन मस्ट बी कौन? मस्ट बी टू मेक सेम. डायरेक्शन रेशियोटा प्रोपोर्शनल दीटा प्लेन पैरेलल हम, किंतु डिस्टेंसटा बाहर कला यार एबीसी यार एबीसी को सेम करियो. जदि सेम नथियो प्रोपोर्शनल थियो मीन्स तमे फास्ट यू हैव टू मेक सेम, देन अप्लाई द फार्मूला d माइनस के कांस्टेंट टर्म रो डिफरेंस दीरा को प्लेन रो कांस्टेंट डिफरेंस बाय रूट ओवर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर. फॉर एग्जांपल, फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द पैरेलल प्लेन्स. फाइंड द distance between parallel planes okay, x minus 2y plus 2z minus 6 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 6y plus 6z minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this one is one plane, this one is another plane. Whether it is a parallel or not, first we verify. A1 by A2 means 1 by 3, B1 by B2 it is also 1 by 3, C1 by C2 it is also 1 by 2. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So these two planes are parallel. But to find distance, you have to first make the coefficient of that is ABC both are equal. R ABC को equal करिया पड़ियो. So answer here this is P1 x minus 2y plus 2z minus 6 is equal to 0 and P2 is 3x minus 6y plus 6z minus 2 is equal to 0. Whether it P1 रे तमे फर्स्ट 3 मल्टीप्लाई करि परियो नले P2 रु 3 कॉमन नै परियो कोन करियो जदि एटू 3 हमें कॉमन नै जिबा सो दिस इज इक्वल टू सेकंड प्लेन रु जदि हमें 3 कॉमन नै जिबा बिकॉज़ फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मेक ABC मस्ट बी इक्वल दीरा अगर ABC इक्वल करिया पड़ियो नै कि सो दैट इंप्लाइज 3 into x minus 2y plus 2z minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0, that is x minus 2y plus 2z minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. So this is plane P1 and this is plane P2. What is the formula? D minus k. Here this is D and this one is k. So D is equal to minus 6 and k is equal to minus 2 by 3. So distance formula, distance between two parallel plane is equal to d minus k by root of here a square plus b square plus c square more. So what is d? D is equal to minus 6 minus k. So this is equal to plus 2 by 3 by root over a square means 1 square 1 plus 4 plus 4 removed. So this is equal to minus 18 minus 18. Okay, so this is equal to minus 18 plus 2 by 3 by 3. So minus 18 plus 2 by here. So this is equal to whole by 3. 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 again by 3. So this is equal to minus 18 plus 2. This is equal to minus 16 by 3 minus 9. So this is equal to 16 by 9. So this is equal to 16 by 9. It is the distance between two parallel planes. Okay. So distance between two parallel planes is equal to 16 by 9. So now we do some problems of your textbook on exercise 13B. Okay, up to 3 you can do all this problem. Exercise 13B, bit 1, bit 2, bit 3. Now we do onward 4B exercise 13B. तेणु 1 2 3 नंबर जाए निजे करिया ट्राई कर इजी अच्छी मु 4 बी नंबर टा करची फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन passing through the points passing through the points 2 minus 3 1 and minus 1 1 7 and minus 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 7 and perpendicular to the plane x minus 2y plus 5z plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so you know plane can be determined by given point and a direction ratio of normal to the plane or by any 3 points or 3 conditions. Here 2 points are given and another condition, this plane is perpendicular to the another plane. तेणु प्लेन इक्वेशन बाहर करा गले इधर गोटे पॉइंट नॉर्मल डीआरएस देथिबो से वेक्टर फॉर्म हो कि कार्टेशियन फॉर्म हो बा 3टा पॉइंट देथियो प्लेन इक्वेशन बाहर करि पारियो बा नॉर्मल फॉर्म रे परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस ता देथियो आ से परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शन कोसाइन देथियो यू कैन फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन ना नहीं तेणु 3टा पॉइंट थिया दरकार बा 3टा कंडीशन थिया दरकार एडी 2टा पॉइंट देछि आ गोटे प्लेन को परपेंडिकुलर होउची. So how to find the equation of the plane? So आमको कौन दरकार ये पॉइंट दे देछि किंतु डायरेक्शन रेशियो ऑफ नॉर्मल टू द रिक्वायर्ड प्लेन नाही तेणु आम प्रथम डीआरएस टा बाहर करिया पड़ियो प्लेन रो नॉर्मल डीआरएस टा बाहर करिया. अच्छा फर्स्ट वी टेक लेट ए बी सी बी द डायरेक्शन रेशियो ऑफ नॉर्मल टू द प्लेन. ओके आंसर let equation of the plane dx नहीं होगा बा equation of the plane का लिखो डायरेक्ट let a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 be the equation of plane required plane. So let it be equation 1, equation of the required plane, where ABC is the direction ratio of normal to the plane. Since the plane passing through these 2 points, since it passes through 2 minus 3 1. Okay, and minus 1 1 minus 7. So जेहेतु ए प्लेन रा पॉइंट दे पास करछि ए पॉइंट दे पास करछि फर्स्ट पॉइंट पको a into x minus 2 plus b into y plus 3 let it be x1 y1 z1 plus c into z minus 1 is equal to 0. Again the plane passes through another point. Again a into minus 1 minus 2 plus b into 1 plus 3 plus c into minus 7 minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies minus 3a plus 4b minus 8c is equal to 0. Okay. बुझे ना जेहेतु फास्ट पॉइंट पकेल फास्ट पॉइंट पकेला पर जो इक्वेशन आइला से आउ थे तुम कौन कर एनादर पॉइंट पकेब. सो ए बी सी गोटे कंडीशन आए सिंस द रिक्वायर्ड प्लेन again since the plane 1 is perpendicular to x minus 2y plus 5z plus 1 is equal to 0. You know if two planes are perpendicular then the dot product is 0. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. A plane do normal DRS कौन 1 minus 2 5. A plane do normal DRS कहते A B C नहीं. So 2 into A minus 2 into B plus 5 into C is equal to 0. ये जो तेरा इक्वेशन रहिला minus 3A plus 4B minus 8C is equal to 0 2a minus 2b plus 5c is equal to 0 ए दुटा इक्वेशन रु एबीसी भैल्यू आम केमती बाहर करिया दैट इम्प्लाइज ए बाई एटा गला तो 4 into 5 4 into 5 के 20 क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन द्वारा बाहर कर तुम ए बाई 4 into 5 20 माइनस -2 into -8 लगे तो 16 है तापर बी बाई एटा कौन हम मल्टिप्लिकेशन टा अपोजिट हम -8 into 2 के -16 माइनस -3 into 5 के हम +15 है सी बाई बोला एटा -3 into -2 के 6 -2 into 4 के 8 बुझे ना देख ए बाई 4 into 5 20 -8 into 2 16 बी बाई बोला -8 into 2 -16 -3 into -5 माइनस प्लस है +15 है सी बाई एटा के 6 -8 सो दिस इज इक्वल टू ए बाई कौन हो दैट इम्प्लाइज ए बाई 4 है बी बाई -1 है सी बाई कत होचे -2 है सो डायरेक्शन रेशियो ए बी सी दैट इज ए बी सी यू टेक दैट इज 4 -1 -2 और यू कैन टेक और -4 1 2 एनी प्रोपोर्शनल नहीं पारे तुम्हें सो पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी सी इन इक्वेशन 1 नहीं therefore equation of the plane equation of required plane माने ए जगह पकेबा x minus x1 नहीं कि एडी पके देले भी ही पारियो एडी पकेले भी हबो हैला सो putting the value of abc in equation एडा बेटर हबो हम एडा 2 नै जा इक्वेशन 2 रे पकेबा काहे एडी पकेले हबो एडी पकेले x1 y1 z1 वैल्यू रे पकाय पड़ियो एडी हमें जेहेतु x1 y1 z1 ऑलरेडी पके छे तो एडी पके दा पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ abc in equation 2 okay putting the value of abc in equation 2 that implies a means what a means so a which is -4 into x minus 2 plus b means 1 plus 1 into y plus 3 plus c means c मतलब 2 into z minus 1 is equal to 0 that implies -4x plus y plus 2z plus 8 plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 0 that implies -4x plus y plus 2z ये 8 plus 3 11 minus 2 9 plus 9 is equal to 0 or you can write also 4x minus y minus 2z minus 9 is equal to 0 4x minus y minus 2z minus 9 is equal to 0 this is the equation of the required plane passing through 2 points and perpendicular to the another plane okay next this is the equation of required plane so there is a mistake since the plane देखो जो लिखा है since the plane 1 is perpendicular to x minus 2y plus 5z plus 1 is equal to 0 एक्चुअली से कौन लिखा था 1 into a minus 2 into b plus 5c is equal to 0 एक्चुअली एटा कौन हम 1 into a हम 1 into a minus 2 into b plus 5c equal to 0 जेहेतु आम यहाँ 2a लिखिदे तेणु मुझे क्वेश्चन टी चेंज कर दूसरी प्लेन टा ये 2x करदेली तो 2x minus 2y plus 5z plus 1 is equal to 0 कर दे 0 करने जो ये आसो 2a minus 2b plus 5c is equal to 0 है कौन बुझल ये जो x थिला एक्चुअली ये 1 into 1 into a हेबा कथा किंतु सेटा 2 into a होइछि जेहेतु आम 2 रे ए प्रॉब्लमटा सॉल्व कर देले तेणु बेटर हम मु क्वेश्चनटा चेंज करियाटा ये क्वेश्चनटा एक्चुअली बॉय रे x थिला किंतु एटा मु 2x नहीं कर देली ओके तो 2x नले ए आंसर आसियो जोटा कि बॉय रे आंसर सहित मैच हबो नाही नेक्स्ट वी डू अनदर प्रॉब्लम find the equation of the plane passing through the foot of the perpendiculars drawn from A, B, C on the coordinate planes okay so here we find the equation of the plane passing through foot of the perpendicular on the coordinate planes drawn from the point P of ABC P of ABC a point ru आमर जो कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन अच्छी xy प्लेन yz प्लेन अच्छी zx प्लेन अच्छी ए पॉइंट टू तीनटा कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन प्रति हमें परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करिया परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कले से परपेंडिकुलर रो फुट रो तीनटा फुट आसियो ना नहीं ईच प्लेन रे गुटे गुटे फुट ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर रहइबो से फुट रो परपेंडिकुलर कोऑर्डिनेट देइरी पास करथो प्लेन रो इक्वेशन ना बाहर करिया फर्स्ट हमें देखो फिगर टा मु ड्रॉ करची this is a coordinate axis suppose it is x axis and this is y axis and this is z axis this is the origin suppose here point P a comma b comma c on the space P point space रछि वर्तमान P point रो हमें xy plane ऊपर ଗୋଟେ perpendicular draw करिया yz plane ऊपर perpendicular draw करी xz plane ऊपर perpendicular draw करिया तो yz plane रे हम देखलो yz plane रे draw करछे नहीं कि अच्छा एटा कौन हम एक्जैक्ट प्लेन एटा xy प्लेन रे z कोऑर्डिनेट 0 हम yz प्लेन रे x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 हम तेनु ए पॉइंट रो कोऑर्डिनेट हम कोन नेबा ए पॉइंट रो कोऑर्डिनेट ए जो फुट ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर गोटे नेबा ए आउ एक्जैक्ट रे y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 हम xy प्लेन रे z कोऑर्डिनेट 0 हम द पॉइंट a be the foot of the perpendicular on yz plane and its coordinate is 0 comma b comma c because on yz plane x coordinate is 0 capital B होची foot of the perpendicular on xz plane y coordinate is 0 तो y coordinate 0 हेले एठी कोन हो a 0 c हो c पॉइंट कोन अछि xy plane ऊपर अछि xy plane ऊपर z coordinate 0 हो so this is equal to a b 0 okay नेबा में आंसर let capital A be the capital A comma B and C be the foot of perpendiculars on the yz plane comma xz plane and xy plane respectively. So the coordinate of A coordinates of A equal to 0 comma b comma c coordinate of B is equal to A 0 C coordinate of C is A B 0 okay this is x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 x3 y3 z3 equation of the plane passing through 3 points equation of plane passing through x1 y1 z1 comma x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3 is determinant of x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1 x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1 x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 z3 minus z1 is equal to 0 that implies determinant of first x y z any point to first point minus of तो 0 minus a that is x minus 0 है ना एटा y minus b here z minus c तापर कौन हम second point minus first point x2 minus x1 a minus 0 direct पको a 0 minus b and c minus c this is equal to 0. Third point minus first point x3 minus x1 a minus 0 a minus 0 a b minus b 0 and 0 minus c is equal to 0. So this is equal to plus minus plus. Now expand this determinant. So this is equal to x into bc minus 0 minus y minus b minus b into minus ac minus 0 plus z minus c into এটা কত 0 plus ab is equal to 0. That implies xbc minus plus yac here minus plus minus abc plus zab minus abc is equal to 0. That is xbc plus yac plus zab minus abc this is equal to 2abc and divide abc. Okay, so if we divide abc we get xbc by abc that is x by a এটা কোন হবে yac by abc y by b here zab by abc z by c is equal to 2. So x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 2. This is the equation of the plane passing through foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point p of a comma b comma c on the coordinate planes. Okay, so make it simplified. Find the equation of the plane passing through the point -1 3 2 and perpendicular to each of the planes x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 5 and 3x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 8. This is the question number 4D. Okay, here one point is given and the other two plane will be perpendicular to the required plane. So first we take the required plane. Equation of the plane is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Since the plane passing through this point, the given point is x1, y1, z1. Now we write these things. Answer. Let the equation of plane is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. It passes through -1 3 2 since it passes through -1 3 2, so a into x plus 1 plus b into here x1 y1 z1 is equal to -1 3 2 given point, so b into y minus 3 plus c into z minus 2 equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. Let it be x1 y1 z1 the given point. Okay, so a into x plus 1 plus b into y minus 3 plus c into z minus 2 is equal to 0. Since the plane perpendicular to this plane and this plane, since the plane perpendicular to perpendicular to x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 5 and 3x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 8. So by perpendicular condition 1 into a कहीं a plane रो normal radius केते 1 2 2 a plane रो normal radius केते 3 3 2 and what is the direction ratio of required plane a b c since the required plane perpendicular to this plane perpendicular to this plane, so by perpendicular condition 1 into a plus 2 into b plus 2 into c is equal to 0. Okay, then 3 into a plus 3 into b plus 2 into c is equal to 0. So by cross multiplication method a by 2 into 2 4 minus 6, here b by 2 into 3 6 minus 2 is equal to c by 1 into 3 minus 6, that is a by minus 2 b by 4 c by minus 3. So a b c is equal to minus 2 4 minus 3 or taking any proportionality, this is 2 minus 4 3. 2 minus 4 minus 3, this will be direction ratio. So putting the value of ABC in equation 1, putting the value ABC in equation 1 एटी पकेले भी हम किंतु x1 y1 z1 टा सेटा पकेबो जेतु एटी हमें x1 y1 z1 ऑलरेडी सब्स्टिट्यूट करछे ना नहीं. So ABC रो वैल्यू हम एटी पकेबा. So this is 2 into x plus 1 plus b होची minus 4 into I minus 3, c means 3 plus 3 into z minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies 2x minus 4y plus 3z plus 2 plus 12 minus 6 is equal to 0. That implies 2x minus 4y plus 3z, here 12 plus 2 14 minus 8 6 plus 6 is equal to 0, and this is required equation of the plane passing through the point minus 1 3 2 and perpendicular to the both plane. Okay, जेतु गोटे पॉइंट देछि दीरा प्लेन को परपेंडिकुलर होछि फर्स्ट पॉइंट एने प्लेन इक्वेशन लिखि परियो डायरेक्ट तापर दीरा प्लेन को परपेंडिकुलर कंडीशन अप्लाई करी बाहर करी. फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन बाइसेक्टिंग the line segment joining minus 1 4 3 and 5 minus 2 minus 1 at a right angle. Okay, now we find the equation of the plane which is bisect at a right angle to the line joining this point. आम एमती गोटे प्लेन इक्वेशन बाहर करिया जो प्लेन टा वो लाइन सेगमेंट को कौन कर राइट एंगल बाइसेक्ट कर. सपोज दिस इज 1 पॉइंट एंड दिस वन इज अनदर पॉइंट. एटा लाइन सेगमेंटा एटा होची मोर प्लेनटा ए प्लेनटा कौन करछि लाइन सेगमेंटा कौन करछि बाइसेक्ट करछि. तो बाइसेक्ट करछि माने लाइन सेगमेंट रो मिड पॉइंट प्लेन ऊपर रहइबो. जब राइट एंगल बाइसेक्ट करछि राइट एंगल इट बाइसेक्ट राइट एंगल मींस this line segment will be perpendicular to the plane. So the direction ratio of the line segment is the direction ratio of normal to the plane, and clearly the bisecting point is lies on the plane, and this will be point on the plane, and the direction ratio of the line segment will be direction ratio of the normal. Now we draw this figure also. This point is capital A and this point is B. This point is minus 1 4 3 and this point is 5 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, now the line joining this point, and here this is a plane and this plane is a bisector. This plane is a bisector to the line segment that is 5 minus 2 minus 1. Okay. is the bisecting middle point. This point is M. M is the midpoint of the line segment. So its coordinate is, what is the midpoint? 5 minus 1, 4 by 2, and this is 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, this is 2 by 2, 3 minus 1, 2 by 2. So this is equal to 2, 1, 1. Okay. And the direction ratio of the line. Answer. So midpoint of line segment equal to 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, and direction ratio of AB, this will be direction ratio of normal. Direction ratio of AB is equal to direction ratio of normal, and this is equal to 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 minus 4, minus 1 minus 3. So this is equal to 6 minus 6 minus 4. Okay. Or any proportionality you can take 3, 3 minus 3, 2. Okay. 2 the common level 3 minus 3. This is 3, 2. That is ABC. So ABC equal to minus 3, 3, 2 are proportionally 3 ର ମଲ୍ଟିପଲ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ନା, ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ମାଇନସ୍ 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 ଅଛି, ଏଇଟା ମାଇନସ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ଦୁଇଟା ପ୍ଲସ୍ କରିଦେଲି, ତ ମାଇନସ୍ 3, 3, 2 ଡିରେକ୍ସନ୍ ରେସିଓ। ଆଉ x1 y1 z1 this point passes through, okay, 2, 1, 1, so equation of the plane, equation of plane is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. The given point, okay, given point is always taking x1, y1, z1. So this is equal to minus 3 into x minus 2 plus 3 into y minus 1 plus c means this is 2 into z minus z1. So z minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies minus 3x plus 3y plus 2z plus 6 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So minus 3x plus 3y plus 2z. Here this is plus 6 and this one is a minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies minus 3x plus 3y plus 2z. Here 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies 3x minus 3y minus 2z minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the plane. Okay, this is the equation of the plane which is bisected to the line segment joining these 2 points, bisect right angle to the line segment joining. Next, so in the next class we do some other problems of your textbook, okay, and straight line. Thank you.